Hi, 46 products I had to use up for the rest of this year. In August, I used a lot of bath and body products, pampering ones, because, I'm trying to get over the passing away, the death of my granddad, who has been a huge rock in my life, who's been a constant in my life. And suddenly one day he's not there. And I talk to him every day from the time I learned to speak. And suddenly, a month and a half of not speaking to him. So I had to cope with it somehow. I used a lot of perfume, a lot of bath and body, a lot of pampering. I had to make myself do this, sort of push myself into it. So you'll find a lot of bath and body here this month. Yeah, so let's take a look at what I have used up. The perfumes that I mentioned, 2 of them. I know they are minis, but yeah, I have been applying perfume every day 2 times. The first one is the Elizabeth Arden Green Tea Scent Spray. Iconic, I know. Apparently the nose behind this was Francis Courchon himself, before he, started his own niche brand. The thing is, I don't adore this. It's alright, it's alright. This was a gift with purchase from Boots. When and it's very, very, very old. I've had it forever so long, but the smell hasn't gone off at all. It is very good quality. Yeah, the smell hasn't gone off at all. My mum turned up one day with 2 huge GWPs from Boots. One had Elizabeth Arden Sunflower, and one had this, and she said I could have one. So I picked this, and it's been there from then on. I saved it for a while, but I've been using up all my perfume, as I said, in a bit to feel slightly better and pamper myself a bit. So yeah, I use this up. Will I repurchase? I don't see it happening because, I like certain other scent families or fragrance families. No, that said, this is a good one. This is a good, it's not me, that's all. I will be keeping the bottle though, as a keepsake. And I like keeping perfume bottles. Now, another one is from Cielo. It is called Sensation. This is actually an Israeli brand. It came in a box from Israel for me, back when there was a beauty box called Glam Guru from Israel. It was a very nice box, and this came in that box. This smelled good. This is more, it's a very oriental amber sweet fragrance, gourmand. So yeah, more up my alley. But I won't be repurchasing this either. I'm into designer perfumes, really. So those 2 are out of the way, and then let's take a quick look at the skincare that I did use up this month. Maytolo by Laviderm Aethera Skin Essence. So this was a very soothing essence, and the one step beneath my CeraVe that I used in August. And I am having a bit of a stress. I wouldn't call it a full-blown breakout, but there are some stressy bumps forming. That's purely because of all the stress, all the jaw clenching and the rage and the sorrow and the grief and the stress and everything. So yeah, this one was soothing enough. Just this and CeraVe on top. That was my routine for the major part of August. On some nights I needed something a bit more pampering, so instead of CeraVe I used this. This is the Kaholica Blueberry Honey Sleeping Pack, and yes, it smelled exactly like that. A very faint smell of blueberries with a huge whiff of honey, and yeah, it is shaped like that. Very nice. This I really, really, really loved. This is one of those things that was the peak of K-beauty, absolute fun packaging and fun product, great smelling, great feeling product. Peak of K-beauty for me. I feel that even K-beauty has become just a little less fun, yeah? I may be wrong, but I feel that way. Now, another face product that I actually ended up using as a bath and body product on my elbows, which are in bad shape owing to not moisturizing, is the Keyless Retinol, all gone, as you can see, cut open and everything. I would have used this on my face, but I can't do actives right now. My face is peeling so much. So this went on the body, elbows in particular. Did it help? Yes, fairly well. It's a lot less softer, although still reptilian. And now with dry weather ahead of us, I don't see things improving much at all. 2 hair care products. The first one is a conditioner, the Neutrogena T Gel Conditioner. I was a bit flaky, so this went on as a co-wash. It lasted all of 2 or 3 uses tops because I have long hair and I like my conditioner applied generously. Did it help with the flakes and the itching? Yes, it did very, very much. Will I repurchase eventually? The second product is the Enriching Mask from Kebelo. This came in a Look Fantastic beauty box. There was 100 mils of it, but enough for 2 uses for me because I have long and thick hair. Hydrating enough, decent. I liked it. Will I repurchase? Not enough to repurchase. There are better products out there. So now we come to Bath and Body. Soap first. Rose & Co. Oriental Spice and Walnut Soap Bar. Smells so good. Spicy. Yeah, I can still get that Oriental Spice. But there is also a fresh soapy smell there instead of walnut. I'm not getting walnut. Will I repurchase? Already have. Very nice. The cheap as chips, paper packaging, eco-friendly. The next is the Nakomi Milk Bath. Vegan caramel milk bath. Oh my god. Shaped like a milk bottle. Smells so good. I use this as a bath soak. Yeah, as a soak. And it was absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely. It was sent to me by my friend Maria from Poland. Thank you so much for sending it. It was very, very pampering. Exactly what I needed right now. Over, the last month and a half after my granddad passed away. Exactly what I needed. Thank you. So, will I repurchase this eventually? I've got 1,000,001 bath soaks, foot soaks to use up. The next thing is also something that she sent me. It is the Yop body butter, all gone. Smelled of roses. Nice. You get the strong rose jam of essential oils in there. Very hydrating. Very, very, very nice. Will I repurchase? No, as I said, 1,000,001 body butters and body lotions to use up. Another of which I have just finished. That is from Bath and Body Works. Midsummer Dream. Perfect. Perfect. The notes are salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. Exactly what it says. Midsummer Dream. I get it. Very summery, very floral, very, very, very pleasant. Will I repurchase? No. Last year I went on a Bath and Body Works binge, and I think there are about 30 or so tubes of these things. And I'm not going to buy another body butter for a very, very, very long time. So after that, I will repurchase. One hand cream, Patisserie de Bain Sugared Violet hand cream, came in this cute little glass pot. I was very disappointed by this because it smelled neither sugary nor violet-y powdery, because violets smell powdery. I didn't get any powdery smell, I didn't get any sugary smell. So it didn't smell like that. Disappointed, will not repurchase. So 12 products done in August, and I had 46 to go. So that leaves me with 34 products to get through in September, October, November, and December. That is just a little under 8 products per month that I have to use up. Will I get there? Stay tuned to find out. What have you used up this month? Do tell me in the comments below, or tag me in a picture. Send me a picture. I'd love to see your trash. So I'll just stop now because I'm exhausted with physical therapy and, feeling a bit low today. Very, very low. I filmed 2 advent calendars in this video and I've just had enough and I just want to curl up and cry. Just cry. It's one of those days. Sorry. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.